Hey y'all, it's Kina with SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the May 2021 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Be Well. And this is definitely a kit for the books, y'all. When I'm finished, you'll understand. If you're interested in seeing what's in this kit, please stay tuned. So y'all, here is the kit card, and it says taking care of yourself is productive. That's a mouthful. So here we have a look inside the May VB kit. If you're new to my channel, I do read off the items in the order that they're listed here on the kit. So I'm going to stick this up here so I can refer to it. The very first thing on the list is definitely something different. We've got a wellness journal, y'all. So it says on the back, make time for yourself with this exclusive VillaBeauTIFFul wellness journal. Jot down your thoughts and feelings and track your habits. So y'all, this thing is pretty beefy. It does have this super soft, well, probably vegan leather exterior. So we have the welcome page this wellness journal belongs to, and on this first page it has a space for the date, positive affirmations, your mood, your sleep, exercise / activity, energy level, self-care, meals, hydrate. Over here, your thoughts, feelings, ideas, and reflection, and space for gratitude. Super cool, y'all. I really thought I probably wasn't going to use this. I probably will. And you know what? I can think of a lot of things I can fit this actual journal into. But we do have the ribbon here to hold your place. Super cool wellness journal, y'all. Was not expecting this. This is really nice. So this is the VB wellness journal. Next item on the list is the washi. So we have the 15mm terrazzo washi tape and the 7.5mm lines washi tape. I'm going to grab this paper really quickly so I can roll these out so y'all can see them. Super pretty lavender background. We've got some lavender, light green, and silver, kind of a tan color terrazzo pieces here. And then on this one, if I can get it unrolled, struggle bus, we have those same colors in an ombre background with the silver lines on top of the colors. So here is the washi for the month. So y'all, next item up is the VB sticker book. Be well, be well. So let's get into this. We have our mini deco sheet. Oh, I immediately felt the difference in the paper, y'all. So Tiffany has been talking about her new paper, and it's definitely a better quality. This is pretty awesome, y'all. So here is the mini deco sheet. Everything is silver foil this month, if I haven't already stated that. Let's go through the sticker book. We have our full boxes. This is also in the new paper. Loving it. We have our icons and our pay bill stickers, our full boxes, and our clipboards. We've got our half boxes. Y'all, this color scheme is so calming. We have our headers. We've got our double long boxes. What do we call those? We've got our scallop boxes. We have our large deco sheet. We've got our flags and checklists. We have our date covers, our arrows, our tabs, and our double boxes and our hexagons. Oh, that's a morning and a night routine situation. That's pretty cool. So this is the VB sticker book and mini deco sheet on the new sticker paper. The next item up is this transparent box page flag set. So in keeping the theme with the rest of the kit, we have the really light mauve color. We've got the mint green color, and we've got this pretty lavender, almost grayish color as well. So here we have our transparent box page flag set. The next item up is the gray planner supply envelope pouch. If you've been around and shopping with VillaBeauTIFFul a while, you know this, I think the third pouch like this. There was a black one in the Fashionista kit. There was a nude one that I think came in the Cafe Papershire kit. I could be wrong. And then we have this gray one here. So this is just a place for you to stick your supplies, items from the kit, things like that. So you've got the plastic, you've got the vegan leather on the edges, you've got your silver hardware, and this is the supply envelope pouch. The next item up is fairly new. I mean, we get stickers every month, but we've never gotten them like this. And this is the VB Be Well sticker pack. Y'all, I'm loving this new logo sticker. It's raised and it's just so pretty and chic. So, we got a whole little folder for our stickers this month. It's fancy schmancy. So, we've got the Be Well in the variety shapes. Okay, so it's a bigger version for what we've been getting with the clear journaling cards. So we've got the Be Well variety shapes, Be Well script words, unplug for the week, exercise, take care of you, be gentle with yourself. We've got the small shapes, we've got the outline shapes, we've got the VB deco, our sticker, our kits, we've got the envelope included in this month's kit, the terrazzo tape bows. We've got fill-in boxes, word for the day, I'm thankful for, weekly tracking, habit tracking, focus on this, and then this is a fill in your own. And then we've got activity headers, meditate, gratitude, relax, exercise, focus, me time, journal, be mindful, create, be present. And then we have our wellness icons, doing a little bit of everything. Sis is getting her facial situation. We've got some tea. We've got what looks like a salad. That's definitely broccoli. We've got the wellness journal here up top. So this is the Be Well sticker pack. It came in this gorgeous envelope this month. So this is the VB Be Well sticker pack. Next item up is the transparent cards. Y'all, this is fast becoming one of my favorites in the kit. And I'm starting to actually use them. I know that sounds crazy, but when you go from not using journaling cards to having so many more than you could count, you find a way to figure it out. So this one, we have this month's VB pen, and it says write it down. This one says love yourself. This one says just breathe, and we have our lotus. This one says inhale over exhale. This one just has our body form. And this one says be present. So these are the transparent cards in this month's kit. The next item up is my favorite, the pen for the month. This month's pen is titled Be Well, after the box. And we've got this full silver, so pretty, with these really light, pale, aqua, nude, and clear crystals in it. So we've got this silver pen with these very light crystals that just go so well with the rest of the theme of the box. This is black ink gel, and you guys know anytime you buy a pen from VillaBeauTIFFul, you'll get a free refill. And also, I know Tiffany just recently mentioned about the new way to change the refills on the pens. So it used to unscrew here, right here at this joint. Now we're unscrewing from just the tip to replace the pen, which is pretty cool. So this is this month's VB pen, Be Well. The next item up is the elastic pen journal closure set. So these were put in the box so that you can keep your pen with your journal, or any pen with your journal, and also keep the journal closed, because I noticed it did not have an elastic band on it. So you would grab one of these, grab your journal, and this is how you would keep everything together. And then you get your pen, and boom, you're ready to go. So these are the elastic pen journal closure set. Next up, we have the acrylic bookmark with dangle charms. I'm pretty sure this is going to fit perfectly into the wellness journal. If I know Tiffany by now, she does everything so that all things work together. So we've got this acrylic bookmark. It's a ruler, it's a 6-inch ruler, and we've got these dangle charms here. I'm trying to get them untangled. So the first one is the self-love club, not the self-help club, and we have the VB logo on the back, and then the next charm is this lotus on a heart, terrazzo heart on the background. So let's see. Yep, works perfectly. Wellness journal. So this is the acrylic bookmark with dangle charms. Last but certainly not least is the paper pack. This is an additional cost. You would only get this if you ordered the paper pack, the kit with the basic kit with the paper pack. So every month we get 4 sheets of cardstock, double-sided cardstock, and 2 sheets of vellum. So let's go through this. The double-sided cardstock. Very pretty. And then we have our vellum. So this is the May 2021 Be Well paper pack. So y'all, this is the May 2021 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Be Well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.